Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a very quick spread and my catch-all for the week of September 4th through the 10th. It is in my catch-all planner, like I mentioned, called Deep Botanicals, and this is a classic size happy planner. I am planning to use the whimsical fall from Live Love Posh for that one. On the back of the book, there's kind of like a fall fashion type of thing, and I want to use that. So I'm going to go ahead and incorporate those into my planner. So bear with me and we'll get that done. So I'm going to start with Mojo Jojo boxes. I'm using very dark green ones. This is from her jewel tone collection. I love the jewel tone stickers for fall. They're a little bit more darker and moody, and that's what fall is to me. It's colorful, but slightly more dark than summer, at least in my planner. And if this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me today. So on top of these boxes, I'm gonna add a few checklists here and there, and these are going to be serving the purposes of my daily to-dos as always. The boxes are going to be serving the same type of purpose here. So we're going to be looking at creating some of the beautiful little lines. So first and foremost, I'm gonna add a doll, right? This fashion girl is so beautiful. I wanted to make sure she's incorporated. I think this spread is going to be a little less sticker heavy and a bit more white space. So hopefully you guys will like it. But these stickers are absolutely gorgeous. If you still have that book and haven't used these stickers, I highly recommend. They're beautiful. The flowers are gorgeous, but the fashion is stunning. So I'm adding flowers first to kind of offset the colors in my spread, and look at that green, and it matches so perfectly. And now I can add that fashion. Look at that jacket. I actually have one of those and I love them for the fall. It's pretty cool. And then actually what I'm gonna do is remove this fall fashion from here. So let's use my undo, which is a hero in my book, because it saves every sticker that doesn't work out, at least for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that, let that dry for 1 second. It's pretty quick. And then I'm gonna remove this huge sticker like so and kind of place it right there. Let's see. I'm gonna cut off a piece of it. Don't ever be afraid to like cut a piece of a collection or something like that. It was a little too long and it was sticking out, and I did not like that. So now I think it's gonna look much better. And look at that shopping spree. So awesome. Makes me think that I need actually new pajamas for fall. So that's where I am right now, but I'm going to go ahead and add my little guys, my little boxes. Those are for my work schedule. That's how I keep it. I put from what to what I'm working. And then of course Monday I'm not working. That's Labor Day. So I hope everybody has a good one. And here we go. I really love this spread and how it's turning out to be. I'm gonna add a few more boxes to make sure that I can write in things every single day that are kind of a main focus. So on the days that I can, I'm gonna be adding those. So bear with me as I do that. Almost done. So Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. There we go. I'm gonna add maybe 1 or 2 more elements from the book, and then we should be done. It should be fairly simple and fairly quick. Of course, I'm gonna start by drawing the lines in the boxes. That's such a major step, at least for me, because that makes me right straight, and I have, it's going to be unified instead of one's being smaller, one's being bigger, because if I was doing a freehand, that's what it would happen. So this is just a Happy Planner stencil, and that's all it is. So super, super cute and super quick. And very even, right? Because that's what I wanted. So one more. So on the days that I don't have checklist, this will serve as a checklist. I'm not making those circles. They're too big. I'm gonna make tiny ones when I write down the task, or I leave it blank. So I'm gonna put fall fashion on this side. I think that's lovely. Let me see if I can add a few more elements. I want to add coffee, but I don't know where, so maybe not. And that didn't really go with the theme, but let me see. I'm gonna white out that part because it bugs me, and then maybe add a quote on the other side. Set this too, like that little shopping bag right there. I think that's gonna fill up the space pretty nicely. And then I'm gonna add a bag right there. And I think I'm gonna call it a day. I think this spread is finished and I will write in it. And thanks so much for joining. Bye.